In this episode of Velocity Labs, we're changing a FueLab fuel filter. It's super easy. I'm having a little issue with the DSM running lean, and while I don't think it's the fuel filter, there's a really small chance that it might be, and I already have one sitting on the shelf anyway, so let's go ahead and change it. First things first, disconnect your battery. Sparks and gas are a bad combination. First thing after that is to remove the filter housing. On a 1G DSM, it sits right up here on the firewall. You'll need 2 wrenches to remove the lower connection and then just one up here on the top. Make sure to keep a bunch of paper towels under the filter while you're unscrewing it, and keep a bunch handy when you pull the filter out as well. It will be full of fuel, so try not to make a mess. Or just get fuel everywhere like I did. Now, this filter came with a 10 micron paper element, and I also ordered this 40 micron stainless steel filter when I bought my kit. So let's open this up. It comes with a couple extra O-rings and instructions, which are always nice. Next, we need to open up the filter housing. This is done by unscrewing the top port that is marked outlet. A 24mm wrench fits perfect, and the instructions say to put it in a bench vise, but I'm a big beefy dude, so I'm just gonna do it by hand like a real man. You know what, never mind. It's probably best to follow instructions, for you guys. So I'll go ahead and use the bench vise like the instructions say. And in my case, my bench vise is a portable vise, because I don't have a proper workbench right now, but that's okay. This will work fine. Make sure to grab a towel or a shop rag or something soft so you don't wreck the filter housing, and don't clamp it down very hard. Just snug enough to keep it from turning. There we go. That wasn't too hard, actually. It breaks loose pretty easy, then just pull the filter out. And this is perfectly clean. So this is definitely not my problem. Might as well check it out, or swap it anyway, because this is a 10 micron filter, and this one's a 40, which is good for E85. But yeah, this is perfectly clean. I don't have any dirty fuel problems. And the O-ring that I have is still in great shape, so I'm not gonna bother changing it right now. The old filter is just pressed on, so you can just pull it off, pop the new filter on, and screw the assembly back in. Now, you'll remember it was pretty easy to break loose, and that's because the torque specs are only 10 to 15 foot-pounds. You don't wanna over-tighten this because it's aluminum and you can easily damage the threads. I just got mine finger tight and then snugged it down with the wrench. If it ends up that it's leaking, you can always tighten it up a little later on. Last thing we need to do is just pop this thing back in and we're done. Make sure to double check for any fuel leaks. The nice thing about ECM Link is that I can activate the fuel pump without starting the car for less chance of explosions. That's always good. Nope, no leaks, so we're all good. All right, so it's been a few weeks and I never did figure out why it was running lean. It definitely wasn't the fuel filter because that was perfectly clean. But the problem was intermittent, and it's not like it was running lean under boost. It was, I would start the car and it would lean out and die. It wasn't even drivable, but apparently it just fixed itself. So let's go ahead and take this thing for a rip. All right, so we're out on my private closed course here in Colorado, so let's go ahead and do a couple pulls. Watch out for any of my private closed course traffic. There we go. Hello. There's a cop on my private closed course. What's he doing here? Let's drive the speed limit. There he goes. Alright, that's better. Time for a rip. Oh, that clutch is slipping. It's ridiculous. She still rips, but that clutch needs to get replaced bad. All right, that was super easy. Next up, we still have a little more maintenance on the Eclipse. We still need to change the clutch. We're gonna get some bigger injectors and a few other goodies as well.